Yes, beta, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which page? Which page?
52.
Page number 52, right. And which para means the dialogue? Which dialogue? First, second, third dialogue of Frank or Chaplu, which one? Which one? From which dialogue we have to continue?
Ma'am, from Frank, what was the Crocker Harry said to you?
Okay, from here, okay, fine. So now in the above paras we have done that Chaplu, somewhat he becomes sad as he has to spend his day waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris to complete his extra work. Otherwise he tells Frank, the teacher, that he would have been playing golf if he wouldn't have been here. But he did not have any other option, and he says that last week as he was ill, he could not complete the work of Mr. Crocker Harris, so he had to be here. And the weather is too nice, okay. But Frank says you don't need to worry. Why? Because of doing extra work, tomorrow you're going to get a good result. But Chaplu, he makes it very clear that Mr. Crocker Harris, he's a different kind of a teacher, and he does not give any extra marks, okay. Any this thing. What happened, Devyansh Maheshwari?
Ma'am, you said that today we evaluate our copy.
Just wait. Let me do it, na? I remember it. And so he says that he is different from other masters, okay? Ordinary masters must be like this, and they would give any chap, any student, okay, a good result for doing extra work, but he does not. And then he imitates Mr. Crocker Harris, okay? Imitates, you got it? Copies Mr. Crocker Harris in the similar voice in which he speaks, and he says that what Mr. Crocker Harris said to Taplu, that he had given exactly what you deserve, whatever you have done in the exam, that only, according to that only, he had given extra, marks. No extra marks are given, no marks are deducted, okay. And then while talking, he says that the man, he's hardly human, Mr. Crocker Harris. But he stops in between Taplu, he stops in between. Why? He realizes that he's speaking too much about the teacher and forgetting all the etiquettes, okay? The distance between a student and a teacher that should be there. So Frank says, yes, you are speaking too much, you have gone too far. Then he says, actually I got carried away, I was swayed in my feelings. Evidently means it is very clear, Taplu. Taplu, yes, sir. From here we have to do?
Yes.
From here, okay, put the date. 5th dialogue of Taplu. If you are not getting the line, see from the above, 5th dialogue of Taplu. Yes, sir. 5th one, okay. And the 3rd last from the down. Written the date, beta? Date likely?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. What was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? Now see, Frank, what I said, many of the teachers, they are jealous of other teachers. Why? Because the influence those teachers, the impression those teachers they have on the students. Similarly, Frank, it happens with them also. And again he asks Taplu, what did Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it. He repeated the dialogue of Crocker Harris. Okay, he imitated his teacher. Imitated, you got it? What does imitated means?
He
Copy.
copied.
Yes, copied, right, beta. So now Frank, again he wants to listen the dialogue. what was spoken by Crocker Harris. Taplu again, he starts imitating, my dear Taplu, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Okay. Frank, he becomes somewhat severe and he says, not in the least like him. Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. Means you just do not speak exactly like him. You better read your Aeschylus and be quiet. Okay. Taplu, you know, he develops a dislikeness for this book, Aeschylus. Look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? Now, Frank, he changes the topic and he says that, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris, okay, he gave you to be here? ठीक है, कौन से समय बोला था that you have to be here and he would be here at the same time? 6:30, sir, remember the time. Well, he's 10 minutes late. Means Frank says that it is already 6:40 and your teacher, he is quite late. Why don't you cut? Why don't you run away? You could still play golf before lockup, before the school gets locked up. Okay, the time is there. You just cut off from here. You just move away from here, run away from here and go and play golf. Okay, means the teacher is trying to provoke him, to instigate him, incite him, उसको भड़काने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि you just go against the teacher. Taplu really shocked. Oh no, I couldn't cut. I could not disobey and run away from here, he says. Cuts the crock, Mr. Crocker Harris. Okay, disobeying Mr. Crocker Harris. I shouldn't think it's been ever done in the whole time he has been here. Okay, the whole time means from so many years he had been here and we had been studying, but we had never had this dareness to disobey Mr. Crocker Harris. God knows what would happen if I did. God only knows what would happen if I am going to disobey him. He would probably follow me home or something. And then Taplu, he says that sir, if I'm going to disobey him and run away from here, surely he would follow me to my home. Okay, घर तक मेरा पीछा करेंगे or something else he might do. Frank, I must admit, I envy him. Now he admits that he envy. Envy means, write down the meaning, jealous. Jealous of him. I must admit, I envy him the effect he seems to have on you boys in the farm. Now he says, I really envy, you know, I am really jealous of this thing. That the effect, you know, the impression Mr. Crocker Harris, he has on you students. You all seem scared to death of him. You all are very, very scared of him. Very, very feared, afraid of him. What does he do? Beat you all or something? Now he wants that Taplu should come out, okay? Whatever Crocker Harris does, he wants to find out his minus point, okay? तो कहते करते क्या हैं तुम्हारे साथ? Does he beat you or does he do something? Good Lord, he is not a sadist like one or two of the others. Now Taplu, you know, he comes out with the secret कि sir means Crocker Harris is not a sadist. Who is a sadist? One who gets pleasure in giving pain to others. Write down. Sadist, one who gets pleasure in giving pain to others. So Taplu कहते हैं, oh no sir, हमारे sir ऐसे sadist नहीं है. Like one or two of the others, जैसे some other teachers are there in the school, like them, our sir is not a sadist. I beg your pardon. Now he was not able to understand. He wants him to repeat it. So again, Taplu, he repeats and he says, a sadist, sir, is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Got it? Sadist कौन होता है जिसको बड़ी खुशी मिलती है दूसरों को दर्द देने में, to give pain to others. Indeed, but I think you went on to say that some other masters. Now see, again Frank, you know, he wants to know that what does students they think about other masters who are really sadists, and he wants Taplu to come out with the names. तो वो पूछता है Taplu से, indeed, वास्तव में, but I think you went on to say that some other masters, लेकिन तुम कुछ और कह रहे थे ना about other teachers. Well, of course they are, sir. Well, of course they are sadists. I won't mention names, but you know them as well as I do. Okay? He says, I'm not going to mention their names, but as much as I know them, even you know them. Okay. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand a thing, but sir, you are different. Okay. अब वो कहता है कि बहुत सारे टीचर्स ये समझते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स दे हार्डली अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. But sir, you are different. You are young, well, comparatively anyway, and you are a science. You must know what sadism is. Okay. And now he just tries to, impress Frank also. Right? ये एक तरह का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स में. जिस टीचर के सामने होंगे वो उसी की बड़ाई करने लगेंगे. राइट. उसी को प्रेज करने लगेंगे कि कहीं सामने वाला टीचर नाराज ना हो जाए. So similar thing even he does, and he says, sir, but you are different. You are a different. You are a young teacher. And well, comparatively, you are a science teacher, means you understand very well, okay? And you understand very well what sadism is. Frank, good Lord, what are schools coming to? Okay, now he understood that he was being flattered by the student. Okay, flattery वो समझ गया. वो कहता है, oh God, what is happening to a school? What is happening to a student? Anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. Now see, this student, while talking, okay, to other teacher, and when he finds that even the other teacher is jealous of this teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, and wants the student to just reveal all the negative aspects of this teacher, so means he knows very well, he means the student knows very well the weak point of the teacher, that he wants that he should come out with all the weak points or all the negativities of the other teacher for whom he had been waiting there and for whom he had been doing extra work, right? तो वो क्या होता है, बातों बातों में he becomes very this thing, and he just forgets that he is talking about a teacher whom he should give respect, whom for whom he should use some dignified words. समझ में आया? और दूसरे टीचर के सामने बात करते करते he forgets the etiquettes, the manners that a student must possess for the teacher. He says, anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. Is it right for a student to speak croc or crocker?
No, ma'am.
How should he
No,
be
ma'am.
addressed? How should he be addressed?
Mr. Crocker,
Why Mr. Sir has to be there, na?
Sir Crocker.
Yes. Okay. So anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. That is what I'm saying. He wouldn't be so frightening if he were. Okay, if he would have been a sadist, then he wouldn't be so frightening. बच्चे इतना डरते नहीं, because at least it would show he had some feelings. तो sadist होते कम से कम अंदर की feelings तो निकालते वो. He would have shown कि उनके कुछ feelings हैं, लेकिन कैसे नजर आते हैं, बिल्कुल blank, who doesn't show any feelings on his face. But he hasn't. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems to hate people to like him. He is all shriveled up, जैसे बिल्कुल एकदम shrink हो चुके हैं वो. Okay, जिस तरह से nut होता है, nut is very hard from outside, but inside it is very soft. ठीक है, तो उसी तरह से सर है, and he seems to hate people to like him, means he does not want that student should show any kind of liking. Why? Because he doesn't want that student should flatter him. No flattery. Okay, he likes. It's funny that I don't know any other masters who doesn't like being liked. जो कहता है बहुत funny बात है कि even I do not know any other teachers who doesn't like that the student must like him. But Mr. Crocker Harris, he's a different teacher. He does not want that the students should show any kind of liking for him. Are you getting it, beta? Following?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
उनको
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
पसंद कि स्टूडेंट ये शो करें कि उन्हें बहुत पसंद करते हैं और अपनी बटरिंग से या मीठी चिकनी चुपड़ी बातों से उन्हें फ्लैटर करें। ओके, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल इंसान है and he doesn't like all these things. And I don't know anybody who doesn't use that for his own purposes. Well, it's natural, sir, but not with the group. Okay, and Frank says, but you know, मैं किसी और teacher को नहीं जानता who doesn't use all these things for his own purposes. Means the teachers, they want that the students should like them. Why? Because उनसे काम आम सब करवा सकते हैं, लेकिन वो टैपलू कहता है पर सर के साथ इट्स वेरी नेचुरल है ना। क्रॉक थोड़े डिफरेंट टीचर है, उनको ये सब पसंद नहीं है। मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस, नाउ सी Frank, you know, he realizes that this guy, this boy, he had started somewhat a disrespect for the teacher by calling him with his name directly. Okay, he is not addressing him, right, with sir. So he just corrects Chaplu और कहते हैं Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Crocker Harris, okay, वैसे तो कहना चाहिए Sir Crocker Harris, but it's fine. The funny thing is that in spite of everything, I do rather like him. अब Chaplu कहता है the funniest thing is, whatever kind of a teacher is he, he's not a sadist, he's very strict, students are afraid of him, but still I like him. I can't help it, and sometimes I think he sees it and that seems to shrivel him up even more. And sometimes even he notices that the students, they admire him a lot, they like him a lot, but he does not come out with his feelings of happiness or joy when he sees that the students, they like him. Rather, he becomes more reserved and starts maintaining a distance between the students. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you are
Yes, ma'am.
exaggerating. Exaggerate करना होता है बड़ा बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना, है ना? No, sir, I am not. वो कह देता नहीं sir, this is not the thing. Inform means in the class the other day he made one of his classical jokes. है ना, मैं कोई exaggerate नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Actually क्या हुआ कि one day in the class he was there and he cracked a joke. Now listen to it, okay? Of course nobody laughed because nobody understood it, myself included. Whatever joke was cracked by Mr. Crocker Harris, nobody laughed. Okay, कहता है none of the students, they laughed. Even I did not laugh. Still I knew he had meant it as funny, so I laughed. लेकिन कहता है फिर एक दो मिनट बाद मुझे लगा कि it was something funny. Joke means something funny is being said, isn't it? So though nobody laughed, लेकिन I started laughing. Out of ordinary common politeness and feeling a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. Okay, एक politeness की वजह से कि मेरे अंदर politeness है, respect for the teacher, है ना, और फिर मुझे लगा कि nobody would laugh means nobody laughed means, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा दुख हुआ. I felt sorry that sir has made such a poor joke, sir has cracked such a poor joke that nobody laughed. Okay, तो इसकी वजह से okay I started laughing. Now I can't remember what the joke was, but suppose I make it and now you laugh, sir. Okay? लेकिन फिर कहता है, sir, I do not remember the joke क्या था. लेकिन suppose मैं कोई joke crack करता हूँ, कहता है sir को, and you start laughing. Okay? तो Chaplu जो है अब imitate कर रहा है Crocker Harris को. Chaplu, okay? Now what happened? See, he laughed. Okay, who laughed? Chaplu laughed. Okay, nobody in the class laughed. He laughed कि by somewhat it was a kind of respect for the teacher that nobody laughed at his poor joke and he was somewhat very polite. Okay, and okay, and so yes, so that is why he laughed. So when he laughed, unnecessarily he laughed, though he did not understand. समझ में आ रहा है ना? समझ में किसी को नहीं आया बेटा, टैपलू को भी नहीं आया, but still he laughed. Okay, समझ गए? एटिकेट्स मैनर्स की वजह से वो हंसा, थोड़ी पोलाइटनेस
Yes,
की वजह
ma'am.
से, और ये भी लगा होगा भाई सर को बुरा नहीं लगे, थोड़ा फ्लैटर करने के लिए भी वो हंसा. लेकिन क्या हुआ, सर समझ गए कि वो फ्लैटर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड दिस बॉय ही डिड नॉट अंडरस्टूड द जोक, स्टिल ही लाफ्ड. तो सर फिर उसको कुछ बोलते हैं, and that was imitated. Okay, whatever Crocker Harris said to Taplow, that was imitated by whom? By Taplow. Okay, वो Taplow imitate करके Frank को बताता है कि सर ने कैसा बोला. Taplow, you laughed at my little joke, I noticed. Okay, I must confess that I'm pleased at the advance your Latin language. Latin is a language, okay, has made since you so readily have understood what the rest of the form did not. Now see, Taplow, he is copying Crocker Harris when he laughed. और कहते हैं जब मैं हंसा तो Crocker Harris मुझे कहते हैं Taplow, you laughed at my little joke, I have seen. Okay, and I must confess it, I must accept it. I'm really pleased to know that you have learnt Latin language, you know, you are advancing in it. Okay, and you have so readily at once you have understood my joke, what the other students of the class, they did not understand. Perhaps now you would be good enough to explain it to them so that they too can share your pleasure. और फिर कहते हैं, surely you would have understood, है ना? It shows that you understood my joke. That is why you laughed. Now, will you please explain this joke to the other students in the class so that everyone can share the pleasure of laughing? समझ गए बेटा? Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? हाँ.
Yes,
यानी
ma'am.
उसको सर समझ गए थे कि फ्लैटर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, अच्छी तरह उसको लेट डाउन कर दिया. ओके, वो जबरदस्ती हंसा था, शो ऑफ करा था उसने, तो उसको अच्छी तरह लेट डाउन कर दिया कि इट वुड बी सो नाइस दैट यू कम एंड स्टैंड हियर एंड एक्सप्लेन द जोक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी. ओके, टेल, जस्ट शेयर द जोक विद एवरीवन सो दैट the laughter, it could be enjoyed by everybody in the class. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The last part we'll
Yes, ma'am.
continue tomorrow. Okay, the last part we'll do it tomorrow, right, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
And even the question answers, okay, are to be checked. I'm going to check it. Don't worry just now. I'll just first finish up with the last part. Hardly 5 minutes it will take. If you have not completed, better complete it by tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Take
Thank you, ma'am.